Folks, how you doing today? So this just came out of full restoration. This is a 1937 ABT moving target shooting gallery. We did everything we could to this machine. It's super nice. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to pull it around here. I'm going to show you inside it because we absolutely did everything in here. Everything in here has been completely taken apart, glass beaded, serviced. It's as clean as a whistle. It's done properly. It's a very, very nice machine. It's got instructions on the back door. Okay, so now as you see, we have the original, we put original graphics on here, as well as all original graphics, brand new on both sides of the playfield. Once again, this is a moving target shooting gallery. So I played it a few minutes ago, getting it ready to show you folks. And what I did is it's 10 shots for a penny. This is an 80-year-old game, 1937, 2017, minus it's 80 years old. You see my score for my last round was 70. So what happens, you put a penny in the gun, you crank it down, and you let it zero out, then you let it up. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. This is really not as easy as it looks because this shield on top really does limit. All right, that's it for me. I got 10. Last time I got 70. This game runs really well. It's moving target. It's a full shooting gallery for your home. It's 80 years old. It's fully restored. It's a penny machine, 10 shots. And those balls up there, there's a little trough there. So you don't just touch them and they fall back and score. You have to knock them out of the trough. You got to be pretty much a dead center shot. This is a beautiful game. It's all done. We get this shipped out to you. Jeff will be happy to get it shipped out to you. These are a lot of fun. They play well, look good, are good. Anyway, if you'd like to have a moving target shooting gallery that's 80 years old, fully restored in your home, let us know. We'll get it boxed up and Jeff will get it out to you. What do you think, Walter?
How old is it again?
80 years old.
Okay, I didn't hear that.
1937 to 2017 is 80 years old.
I get a lot of you guys tell me how much you like those legs stands that we make custom for our games. Unfortunately, they are not for sale. So sorry, we don't sell those individually. And for you guys that have multiple units, these look really good stacked up side by side, almost like skee balls.
Show them over there.
Exhibit.
Show them over
like
there.
You
like
see
those. Right there.
over there.
Yep.
There you go.
There you go.